Assalamu alaikum everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make this beautiful crochet floral hair Gajra. It's elegant, beginner-friendly, and perfect for weddings, Eid, and special occasions. So let's get started. We'll begin by crocheting the main flower. Create a flower with layered petals until it becomes full and fluffy. This flower will be attached at the top of the Gajra and will hold all the hanging vines together. Next, crochet a few small flowers and tiny rose buds. Make different sizes so the design looks more attractive and balanced. Now make 5 long chain strands. These will be the hanging vines of the Gajra. Keep the lengths slightly different to create a natural cascading look. As you crochet each vine, make small leaf shapes at equal intervals. These tiny leaves give the Gajra a fresh and realistic appearance. Sew 1 or 2 flowers at the ends of some vines and attach small rows, buds to the remaining strands. Arrange them evenly so the Gajra looks full and elegant. Gather all 5 vines together and stitch them securely behind the large flower. Make sure every strand is firmly attached and hangs neatly. Trim all loose yarn ends, weave them in carefully, and give the flowers a gentle shape with your fingers. Your beautiful crochet floral hair Gajra is now ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful crochet projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.